You are going to love this video, so be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel so we can let you know when new videos are published.
Hi and welcome. This video is about why you need a website as an affiliate marketer. Whenever you are told that you do not need a website for affiliate marketing, it is terrible advice. There are many advantages and many reasons for having a website for affiliate marketing. A properly designed site can help you establish integrity and build trust with your target market. It allows you to present yourself as an experienced and reliable source of information and help in your niche. A website allows you to create and enhance your brand. You can personalize the layout, logo design, and web content to reflect your unique identity. When you have a website, you have complete control over its content and layout. You are not dependent on third-party platforms that might transform their plans or formulas, possibly impacting your associate advertising and marketing efforts. A website offers a platform to consistently publish high-grade web content, such as articles, reviews, and tutorials. Your web content can bring in free organic web traffic from online search engines and engage your target market. With a website, you can enhance your web content for online search engines, improving your opportunities of ranking higher in search engine results. This can lead to more organic web traffic and more potential conversions. With your own website, you can accumulate email addresses and build a mailing list. Email advertising and marketing is a powerful tool for nurturing leads, promoting affiliate products, and building long-lasting connections with your audience. Websites provide advanced analytics devices that enable you to track visitor behavior, conversion costs, and other important metrics. This information aids you in fine-tuning your advertising strategies and optimizing your affiliate projects. Besides affiliate marketing, you can explore other monetization methods on your website, such as display advertising and marketing, funded material, or marketing electronic products. A website is a lasting property that can remain to produce passive income. As you consistently create useful web content and optimize your site, it can attract an ever-growing target market. With a site, you can come to be an authority in your specific niche. Gradually, you can dominate search results and develop yourself as the go-to source in your chosen area. You can adapt your site to altering trends and market conditions. This flexibility enables you to experiment with brand new affiliate programs and marketing techniques. Building your website is easier than ever. Most website builders do almost all the work, allowing you to create a professional-looking website as quickly as possible. Getting started is also easy. When looking for a website, your best option is what is called a marketing platform. The advantage of a marketing platform is that all the tools that you need are all together in one place. This saves you time and money, and having everything you need in one place makes your work much easier. Mr. P has been a very happy free user of a marketing platform called Systeam for about 3 years. It stays free for up to 2,000 email subscribers. It has everything you need, and it is all in one place. Mr. P has been a very satisfied paid user of a marketing platform called AIOP for at least 5 years. AIOP stands for all in one place. To the best of his knowledge, it is the lowest priced marketing platform on the internet. The autoresponder is virtually unlimited, but there are some restriction on storage space. For most online businesses and most online ventures, AIOP should be a perfect fit. Mr. P is also a lifetime member of an unlimited marketing platform called Groove. If unlimited is what you need, Groove is the best value. You will find links to all 3 marketing platforms below. Building your own website is to your advantage. The only thing you will regret is that you did not start sooner.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and consider joining the channel so that we can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching, and much success!